pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Can you find Israel? Did you find me? Can you find me again? Did you find me again?
What's up, Pythons? Welcome to Scholastic Showdown. And today we... What's up, Pythons? We got Gabriel here. What is the eighth element on the periodic table?
The eighth element is carbon. Why?
That is wrong. It's actually oxygen. On to the next segment.
Go.
We got my boy Dominic. He's gonna answer a science question today. What is the hardest natural substance on Earth?
You know what I think? It gotta be uranium.
Well, it's wrong. It's actually diamonds. What's up, Pythons? We got my boy Rocco here, and today we're gonna ask him a question. How many states of matter are there?
4. There's liquid, solid, gas, and plasma.
That is correct. Bingo! And you win a fidget spinner because we're too broke to afford real money.
Oh, yeah.
Welcome to Python Bobs, where we fight the Python Bobs. I'm Daniel, and with my team today, we're gonna try our best to find the best Python Bob.
Here with Luis Perez. As a Python, what is your favorite Bob?
My favorite Bob is probably Trippin' by French Montana.
Wow, let's take a listen.
Started off with a simple twisted fate. Boyfriend gonna come catch my fate. Mama said coming is getting late. Tell that woman she got to wait.
I'm here with Nico Galvez. Can you rate this Bob?
Started off with a simple twisted fate.
3 out of 10.
What's your favorite Bob?
Axel F.
Alright, let's take a listen.
Racing.